All right, here's your first homework assignment. We're going to have you create the blog post for next week's book study. So we're simply going to have you copy and paste that content on Tuesday or Wednesday morning, whenever it's posted to Facebook, and then paste it over into a new blog post. So we're going to, from your login, from the dashboard, I want you to go to New, and then a post. Type your new book study title here. Paste that text. Oops, let me do that. Paste that text you get from right here. Clean it up a little bit if it's all jammed up. You'll get those, like right here, there's a notice that I have a typo, so there we are. Keep it consistent with the title, so capitalization, put a date up there. So next week is actually, oh, it's September already, holy cow. 9/2. And then there's the content. I want you to go ahead, select the book study category, type some tags in here. You might have some ones that are already in. You might have to put some new ones in. Make sure they're separated by comma. So word 1, comma, word 2, comma, or phrase like this, comma. Those are all applicable. Just use commas in between. Put as many tags as you like. Usually 5 is recommended, but don't stress if you don't have too many. But I just want to make sure that you understand how that works. So add a couple. Our featured image, I'd like you to set the featured image. You can pick anything from here, but let's work on adding new images from our desktop or from the computer or from the internet. So either download that, upload it here, drag it and drop it here. And then also in Envato Elements, you can get your stock images here, but these are really big. Use them if you'd like. I'll help compress it after the fact. It would be good for you to learn how to use this because it is a really valuable free resource. Otherwise, work on adding it from your desktop. All right. After we've set our image, don't worry about the excerpt. Don't worry about the discussion pieces. We'll leave those collapsed. And that's it. What I also want you to do is set the visibility to private so that it's just me and you looking at it. And then update when you're all done. Shoot me an email after you have that. We'll make sure it's good to go and publish it. If you preview that post, preview in a new tab so we can see it live outside of the editor. If it looks good to you, go ahead and publish it. But if you don't feel all right with it, don't worry about it. Just set it to private and then update it up here. We'll be good to go. That's it for homework number 1.